Welcome to Taste Your C Skills. Today I am going to discuss union. So what is union? Union is a structure all of whose members share the same storage. Union provides a way to manipulate the different kinds of data in a single area of storage without embedding any machine dependent information in the program. So in a union, at a given time, only one member of the union may reside in the memory. Okay, and that is the main difference between your union and the structure. So structure and union both are used to group a number of different variable, different type of data together, but both are different in terms of storage. The structure, in a structure, each member has its own memory. In union, there is same memory location and the size of that memory location equal to the size of greatest member of union. Okay, so we can define a union with the help of union keyword. We have declared one union whose name is student, okay, which contain four variable. One is name, second is roll, marks and sections. One is character array, one is integer, one is float and one is character. We have created one union variable, that is s. So we can access union variable with the help of s, but the member, make sure that we are accessing the member whose value currently inside your memory. Now we are going to write one program. So we have declared one union whose name is student. We have already discussed, which contain four variable. We have created one variable of union students. Now in main, just see, we have taken the value of name from user, then roll number, then section and then marks. Okay, and we are printing in a same row, but when we are displaying all in a one line, it might be possible it may give wrong output, because it might be possible what is the size of maximum size allocate 20 byte, and if you are going to get 20 bytes, you are going to read 20 bytes, then one by one the map data will be overwrite. So when you are going to access this name, just try to print data here. If you are going to access roll number, try to print roll number here. If you are going to access section, just print after that statement. If you are trying to print all the data, it might be possible it will give an wrong output. Okay, so that is the main difference between the structure and union. So just differentiate structure and union. Both, one is employee, second is one is structure, second is union. Both have same variable x and y. One is character, second is float. And we have created one variable e of type structure. So in a structure, the size of the character is 1 byte, size of the float is 4 bytes, so 5 byte will be allocated. Okay, so x contain memory storage of 1 byte, y contain the memory storage of 4 byte. But in a union, what is the maximum size of union? So character 1 byte and float 4 byte. So maximum is 4 in a union variable. So 4 byte will be allocated, and we can access one by one x and y in a memory. So that is the main difference between your structure and union. Okay, so it's all about unions. Thank you.